Welcome to Home Decor Ideas. Fall is here, and it's time to bring the warmth and beauty of the season into the heart of your home, the kitchen. Today, we're sharing fall kitchen decor ideas that are simple, cozy, and perfect for creating that autumn vibe. Let's start by setting the tone. Swap out bright summer hues for warm, earthy tones like burnt orange, mustard yellow, and deep reds. These colors instantly make your kitchen feel cozy and inviting. Layering these tones through textiles and decor creates a seamless transition into the fall season. A fall-themed centerpiece is an easy way to transform your kitchen. Use a wooden tray to display pumpkins, gourds, and seasonal foliage. Add candles or fairy lights for a soft, warm glow that makes your kitchen feel magical. Swap out your everyday dishware for fall-themed items. Think plates with leaf patterns, pumpkin-shaped bowls, or mugs with cozy fall prints. These small touches make a big impact and are perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying your morning coffee. Don't forget the walls. Hang a fall wreath on a pantry door or add seasonal art prints to blank spaces. These subtle additions make your kitchen feel festive without overcrowding the space. If you have open shelving, this is the perfect spot to showcase fall decor. Display copper pots, wooden cutting boards, and jars filled with seasonal spices or dried fruit. Mixing textures like metal, wood, and ceramic creates a cozy yet polished look. outdoors in with fall foliage and seasonal herbs. Place vases filled with eucalyptus or maple branches on your countertop, or pot some rosemary or thyme for a functional touch. These natural elements add life to your kitchen and tie your decor to the season. Functional decor can also be festive. Swap out your kitchen towels for ones with fall patterns or add wooden utensils for a rustic touch. These small, practical details keep your kitchen stylish and seasonal. Finally, lighting plays a key role in creating that cozy fall vibe. Add warm-tone bulbs or string lights around your kitchen for a soft, inviting glow. Paired with candles or lanterns, this lighting creates the perfect ambiance for fall evenings. With these simple yet impactful ideas, your kitchen will be ready to welcome the fall season in style. From cozy textures to natural touches, every detail works together to create a space you'll love spending time in. Thank you for joining us today. If you're inspired to bring a little fall magic into your home, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more seasonal decor tips. See you next time, and happy decorating.